If you need to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11, you can do that temporarily or permanently. To temporarily do it, go to Start and then head over to Settings. Once you're in Settings, go to Privacy and Security, Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then you can go to Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection, and you can then turn off Real-Time Protection. That will temporarily turn it off. If you need to permanently turn it off, go to Search, type in regedit, and go to the registry editor. From here, we need to go to Local Machine, then go to Software, then go to Microsoft, then go to Windows Defender and click on the Windows Defender folder. Once you're in the Windows Defender folder, right-click, New, DWORD 32-bit value, click on that, then type out the following. Disable anti-spyware, just like this with the capital letters. Click Enter, then right-click, then double-click, change the value data to 1, click OK, restart your computer, and you will now have permanently disabled Microsoft Windows Defender.